Hello you guys, in the previous video I showed you how to set up your web hosting account with All-in-One Profits or AIOP, and also I showed you how to point your domain name to your web hosting in AIOP, and I also told you that we are gonna wait 24 hours so that we can access the control panel. So let's go back to that email that All-in-One Profits sent to me. Okay, you guys, I saved that email and it looks like this. Okay, I'm gonna click that and it will show up the information of my web hosting account with AIOP or All-in-One Profits. Okay, now I am going to click this and it should be live online, okay, because it's over 24 hours. So something like this, it will appear, okay? And then you put your username and your password. Go back to that email and see what is your username and password you created for your Cpanel. This is AIOP or All-in-One Profits Cpanel, okay? I'm going to log in. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to install your Wordpress.org inside of AIOP Cpanel. So after putting your username and password, it's going to take you to your All-in-One Profits Cpanel. Before we start, there are some things I want to cover right before we install your WordPress blog. Now, if you bought a secondary domain, one that is forwarded, and you want to actually install WordPress to your secondary domain, all you have to do is go to your add-on domain. Go here under domain section and here add-on domains. Click here and you will enter the domain name and all its information here, and you would have to just add the domain. Make sure even you buy a domain name from Namecheap or other company, I changed the name servers to All-in-One Profits server, and that will make your domain name hosted on All-in-One Profits. So hopefully that makes sense there, and in that way All-in-One Profits knows your domain name. If you still have any question and you don't know what to do, you can always send message to AIOP or All-in-One Profit. Okay, that's about it. Just in case you want to install in a secondary domain. In AIOP, you probably have your primary domain. In this example, it's National Wealth Center.pw. With primary domain, it's simple to install WordPress. Okay, let's go to Fantastico to install WordPress. Under Softaculous Apps Installer. So you go click WordPress. And then click Install Now. This is the space required right here. So make sure your hard disk or hard drive has this available. Otherwise, you might have some problems. Or maybe you delete some unnecessary files on your hard drive so you can make room for this. And then click Install. So you will select the domain name you want to work on your WordPress. If you already registered several domain names under AIOP, probably you'll see more than this in the drop-down menu. So that you don't have to go to AIOP to make changes to your WordPress blog or website. You will go to your domain name .com or .pw /wp-admin. Or in this example, my domain name is nationalwealthcenter.pw. Okay, and then /wp.admin, so that I could just go straight there to log in to make changes to my WordPress without going to AIOP. So you're gonna go there to your domain name.com /wp-admin, log in there to make changes to your WordPress blog or website without going to AIOP back office. Okay? In this example is nationalwealthcenter.pw /wp-admin. Leave this empty. Okay. Okay, you can choose a username to log in into your WordPress. I'll put this, and then you choose your password. Okay. You can put your email here, or whatever email you want to use for your WordPress blog or website. Okay, put your email there. If you have a Gmail account or Yahoo account, you can use that. Okay, or you can also use that email you created through AIOP. Then you select your language. Let's go up. I forgot something. Okay, site name. The name of your site. Let's say National Wealth Center PW. or info@nationalwealthcenter.pw or admin@nationalwealthcenter.pw. Let's scroll up again if I forget something. For your site name, what is your site name? Here I put nationalwealthcenter.pw, and you can put the description of your blog or website here. You can put here making residual cash. You can put anything there you want. You can put here anything you want that describes your blog or website. Okay, review everything. Okay, and then go down. Select your theme, the theme of your website or blog here. If you want to see more. Okay. If you want more, if you want to see more, just click the arrow. Okay. Until you find something you like. Okay, I want to go back to the previous page. And I want to select this. Okay. I will select that. Okay, I will select this and click install. Okay, you put the email you want them to send you the details of your WordPress installation. Okay, I'll put my email here. Okay, and then after I select that, you can select any theme you like here, okay? It doesn't have to be here. Click install. Okay, I got an error message here. Okay, I got an error message here. So, okay, I'll try to click this and select this. And let me see if and I tried to it was here earlier, so let's try to let me put it here. Okay, see what happens, and then click that one. Must be checked. Okay, this is gonna show. This may take 3 to 4 minutes. Please do not leave this page until the progress bar reaches 100%. Okay. It says after that, after it's completed, you're gonna see this. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. WordPress has been successfully installed at http://www.nationalwealthcenter.pw administrative URL, National Wealth Center, and so forth. Okay, I'm going to show you the email WordPress sent me after I installed WordPress inside of AIOP, or all-in-one profits control panel. Okay, I'm going to search for it. I save it somewhere in my email, so I'm going to search for it, and then I hit enter. So I'm going to look for it. Okay, I found it. So it's here, this one here. See, this one here. Okay, I'm going to click this. It says Subtaculous new installation of WordPress. Okay, click that. This is your domain name for your WordPress blog or website. Okay, this is where you log in when you make changes to your WordPress, when you make edits. This is where you log in, and you don't have to go to the AIOP control panel to log in. You can just log in here. This is your WordPress login username. When you click this one, you're gonna enter your username, okay? You should remember your password when you were installing the WordPress inside your AIOP control panel. This is the email you specify when you were installing your WordPress, remember? This part, just ignore it unless you need them. Then if you need this, just ignore this part unless you need them. So if I want to log in to my WordPress to make changes, I could click this, or I could go back to the WordPress I was working on earlier. So I'm back at WordPress where I left off earlier before I showed you that email WordPress sent me after I installed WordPress. Okay, I just showed you the email sent to you by WordPress after you installed it from AIOP control panel. So you can log in here if you want to make changes with your WordPress, or you can go through your email and click this link to log in to WordPress, or you can simply type this website name or domain URL name into your browser to log in to your WordPress. Okay, let me click this, and make sure write this down in your notepad or Word document, so you can just log in every time you want to make changes to your blog or website. Let me click this, okay? So it took me to this page right after I click it, okay? And in the next video, I will show you how to work on WordPress or make some additions. Okay, right now I'm gonna log out. Okay, okay, let me go to my WordPress login. Okay, so you're gonna type your domain name .com. Okay, make sure the spelling is correct. /WP admin. Okay, and then enter. This will be my WordPress, and this will be my login for making adjustment or changes or edit my WordPress blog. Okay, so I will put my username, the one I choose or created while installing the WordPress. Remember? And then the password I created for WordPress during the installation of it. Okay, if you lost your password in the future, if you lose your password, you can go here, lost your password, click that. You can choose to make the computer remember your password and username, so you don't have to keep remembering them. Click logged in. It will automatically save. Okay, so you're inside WordPress, and in the next videos I'm gonna show you how to work on WordPress, how to make adjustments, how to edit, how to use the fonts, insert image, change the theme, and so forth.